Welcome to Excel at Excel. This video will show you how to use the SUMIF function. The syntax for SUMIF is equals SUMIF, range, criteria, and then the sum range. Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to use the SUMIF function. I've got some simple data here, just 3 columns. Depicting the country, the invoice amount and invoice number, and what I want to do is calculate the total invoice for each country. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, and now it asks you for what range. So where are we looking? So we're looking for countries, so we're going to look in column B. I'm going to make that an absolute reference by pressing F4 or manually typing in 2 dollar signs before the B there. What that does is when we copy this formula down, because eventually we're going to copy this formula down this table here, that won't change, so we'll always be looking for the country. The criteria is, for the top line, is going to be Spain. We're not going to make that an absolute reference, so we're just going to put a comma because you want that to change to F4, which is Belgium, F5, which is Poland, etc., etc. And now it's a sum range, so where are we calculating? So we're calculating the invoice total. So we're going to go to the invoice amount. Again, we're going to make that an absolute reference because when we copy the formula down, we do not want that to change. Close parenthesis, and there you have your total invoice cost for Spain, but you also have it for Belgium, Poland, and as you see in the middle there, it's changing from F5, so the next one should be F6, F7, F8, etc. So that is a simple way to use the SUMIF formula.